guys, welcome to another vlog. It's Thursday, 12th of March, and I just got back home from the gym. It was a leg day, and I cried a little bit because I just came back from a family trip. Like, I went to Manali with my family, and I came back, so I had to go back to the gym. I ate so much food, like, I can't even tell you how much food I ate. So I started with leg day because I wanted to, get back to it stronger. But I wasn't strong. I literally cried because, not really cried, but I was on the verge of crying because that is how difficult it was for me to get back. And my trainer said that we will do a moderate workout, but then we ended up doing the worst and the most difficult workout of my life. So I'm just having some, what am I having? So this is some paneer that I'm having. This is roasted paneer, 100 grams for protein. And this is a weekend / half weekday vlog because it's Thursday and I want to take you along what I usually do in my city. And this weekend my goal is to meet most of my friends. I need to meet Janvi, I need to meet Alicia, I need to meet Hitika, and I need to meet Anmol. These are the 4 people that I need to see, and I have a lot of work to do today. बहुत काम pending है मेरा. So I have 4 branded shoot that I need to do, and tomorrow I'm going somewhere for a shoot as well. I'm going to Chandigarh for a shoot. Let's go, let's eat this, and we're gonna get ready. I'm gonna take a shower, and I feel like I'm taking a lot of work. I need to filter out more brands. I need to say no to brands. I feel like I'm picking up a lot work to keep myself busy. Although it's good, but I feel like it's kind of exhausting, and I'm not enjoying the process as much. So I think I'm going to take a break from branded content and create more organic content. So let's eat and get ready, and let's get this day started. And I'm going to take you along with me let's go. I just showered and I'm all nice and fresh. I washed my hair. My hair needed to be washed very desperately because I did not wash it the entire trip, and it was greasy and not fun. And I just did my skincare as well. I've been really liking my skincare routine. I think I've finally nailed it, and it's completely showing. No nazar, guys, but I think the skin is doing really well. I want this vlog to be a little bit more chatty than the last one. The last one was more about you coming along with the experience of it. If you haven't watched it, watch it. But I really want to chat. I don't know how much I will be able to, but yeah, I'm just going to get ready, and I need to have my lunch right now. But because I had those roasted paneer, I'm not hungry. It takes a lot of time for me to be hungry after I've had paneer, or and then I also had a protein shake, so I'm very full. But I need to have my lunch, and I think I'm going to shoot before that. As I told you, I have 4 shoots today. So I'm just going to get ready. I would have shot the get ready with me part, but I want to do a separate YouTube video. I'm talking about my skincare, base prep, and whatever I do, because people really enjoy the way I do my makeup on Instagram, and I want to share what I have learned. Also, if you don't know, I am a professional certified makeup artist as well. I have a certification as well, but that was when I was a kid. I was in 11th or 12th when I got it, and then I did not pursue it. But yes, I know what I'm doing, at least for my face now. If you want me to film an in-depth tutorial for my skin, face, whatever, you can just comment it down and I will know. Because last comment pe a lot of people were like, we need more vlogs. So I was like, okay, people are nosy and interested in what I do. Sorry, it's just a joke. You're not nosy. I like it. So let's do my makeup and do something with my hair, and let's get this shoot over with.
Shit is so unpredictable, guys. We were just walking by and there's this guy who just came to us and was like, please
Come
Please
to
come.
this comic club thingy. So we are at this stand-up comedy now, and we were like, okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, so हम वहाँ से निकल आए because they were literally just the 2 of us.
Yeah.
And हम आपस में ही हंस के आ गए. So I was like, why would we want to sit there when we can enjoy our laughing club? तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं कहीं तो भी. हमारा मन नहीं है घर जाने का.
Yes,
हमारा प्लान तो खत्म हो गया है.
We'll take you guys along with
But
us.
अभी I think we're going to find some healthy desserts.
Yeah.
I think naturals.
Naturals, guys.
Naturals. So I hope they have some good and
Healthy dessert. Yes. Ice cream.
वरना सिंधी स्वीट्स is right here. तो कर लेंगे हम.
All right, Adi.
Bye. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. Like we literally did chest, tricep and shoulders in 36 minutes. And the strength was not strengthening right now because I wasn't able to take a lot of breaks. So fatafat kiya maine khatam. But now we have to rush. It's 9:40 right now. I have to reach there at 11. And I'm just rushing. And today we're shooting for Nykaa Man. So it's a great brand to work with. I have to shoot like 2 videos for them. And yeah, really happy about this opportunity and excited to work with Nykaa again. Already I'm wearing the same outfit that I was wearing last night. That's my mom. And because I didn't have it in me to figure out an outfit right now. So okay, so I've reached the office, like the studio, and this is the studio, and I've reached, and I'm going to change into my first outfit, and we are going to start shooting. These are the scripts, like these are the 2 scripts that I have to learn, so I'm gonna do that right now. It's pretty basic, shouldn't take that long. So
A few moments later.
So I'm all ready and अभी हम शूट नंबर 2 करने वाले हैं. So guys, ये है मेरा फोटोग्राफर, वीडियोग्राफर, एडिटर, फ्रेंड, एवरीथिंग. What's your name?
उत्तम.
अभी नहीं बोल रहा है पर बहुत बोलता है. तो ये कमलेश जी हैं. लेट्स गो. आज हम किसका शूट कर रहे हैं?
शादी का.
शादी.com.
नहीं होए.
क्यों?
शादी.com थोड़ी है.
जो भी है यार, तभी मैं इतनी संस्कारी बन के बैठी हूँ. ये हमारे उत्तम के क्रेडिट कार्ड्स हैं. वाओ, ये मेरा फेवरेट है.
2 hours later.
Okay, so lighting is really bad, but I just got done. I just got done with all of my shoots, and I rested for a bit because my head was like really aching because I woke up a bit earlier than I used to. But now I'm just like I like to watch the sunset from my balcony because it like has a really nice view, and I like to sit, like walk alone and just listen to some music and be with myself because I feel like I don't have time to even like sit down and be with myself because by the time I get free, by the end of the day, I just need to sleep. So I try to take out some time other than the workouts, of course, to spend time with myself and unwire my thoughts. Does that make sense? Yes, I hope it does. And it's around 6:30 or 6:40. The sun just set and I'm just completing my steps today. I'm just waiting for my mom to get free, then I'll go and walk with her downstairs. But till then I'm just listening to either some music, some podcast and walking. And that's the update. I wanted to meet Alicia this weekend, but I don't think that's possible, sadly. But I hope I meet her once she's back. She's going somewhere, so yeah. And yeah, I have nothing else to update you guys on. Today was a really hectic day, but it was really good. I got a lot done. Still have to do a lot of editing though. I have to edit 2 videos today. जैसे मर्जी करके मुझे वो edit करनी है, and I have to submit it to the brands. And I'm also missing creating organic content, as I told you in the beginning of the video. So today, like tomorrow, I'm gonna shoot mostly some organic content, some outfit details, some transitions, maybe something fun. Like I miss it, so I'm gonna do that. And yeah, tomorrow is gonna be very fun, way more fun because we are going to Karnataka, and I don't know why I'm so excited about it. I have seen him perform, but yeah, I'm excited to go and take you guys along. That's all the rambling I need to do, and I'll see you when I see you.
1 day later.
Good morning, another day, another gym session. I am just getting ready for the gym. Today we are hitting back and biceps, and yeah, I'm very excited. And then I have to come back and shoot some content before I get ready and then leave for my friend's place. And yeah, let's go. I want to get my hair done as well. I'm gonna get a nice blowout later. My hair like is really oily right now, but I'm just gonna pull it back, maybe wear a cap, and
let's go.
I am back from the gym. I just had my diet. I had again the roasted paneer and the, what did I have? Protein shake. I have to get ready. I have to take a shower. My mind is everywhere. I have to take a shower, get my hair done, and then I also have to shoot one content and then shoot the before part of the Karan Aujla's reel, and then I'm leaving for Janvi's place, and then we're gonna go there, chill, and we're gonna leave together. So yeah, that's the plan for today. That's all. I'll see you when I see you. For the oats, I take these chocolate oats from Pintola. I take like 40 grams of these. And for the protein, I use my favorite protein, like my current favorite. This is the Whole Truth, of course, in light cacao. And yes, I'm gonna take a banana and some milk, and we're gonna mix it up. My hair is half dried, and now I'm gonna go and get my hair done. I'm just waiting for the courier because he is bringing our bands for the Karan Aujla concert today. I got them picked up from the brand, and it's him calling.
A few moments later.
I want a very bouncy blowout, so I'm gonna take my rolls, like the hair rolls with me, and get them in my hair. Okay, so I told him to give me a lot of volume, and he did not disappoint. It's too voluminous, but I think it's gonna settle down eventually. And when I'm gonna do my hair and when I'm gonna do my makeup and my outfit, till then I'm just gonna let them chill. And yeah, I think I like it. I just did my makeup and I just put on my outfit. I was also shooting the get ready with me part. I wasn't completely ready, but I wanted to give you an update. The hair, I don't know if I'm feeling them, but I think they will get better eventually. But yeah, I'm wearing this cute top. It's from Savannah, and I think it's giving. So I think this is a cute outfit. I love the top. Oh my god, I don't really wear anything like this, but this is so cute. I think I'm gonna wear this with the jeans, but this cord is also really cute. It's giving Y2Ks. Okay, so I quickly changed my top. I wasn't feeling it that much, so I changed into this brown top, and I think it looks so much better. I feel way more comfortable in it, and I know that I can dance around better. So yeah, I am running super late, so we are going to head out. I need to go to a petrol pump because my car needs fuel first, and then we're gonna head to Janvi's place. I said that I will try to aim to leave by 4:34. I mean 4:30 or 4, and I'm leaving by 3:53. And I already shot the content, and I mean I'm just too fast. Like, that's the good thing about being an anxious person. You are always in a hurry, so you know how to get things done in a hurry. I don't think that's a flex that I want it to be, but today it's worked in our favor. Let's go. हमें हमारा गेट नहीं मिल रहा है गाइस.
हम कब से घूमी जा रहे हैं.
She's in heels.
Yeah.
Not a very great decision.
Wanna see?
Yeah. There's so many people.
Do you face the moments that you're in? Alternatively, take it on the chin. Or do you punch the nose right off your day? Better lace them up and face them down. Sometimes you gotta swim against the tide. Occasionally embrace the wild ride. Making sure you sing before you swing. Of course the revolution will be televised. If we ain't standing toe to toe, fight for today, even more for tomorrow. Everywhere we go.
We got back from Karan Aujla, and now we are going somewhere. Where are we going? Melia. And it was so good. I did not have a lot of fun last time, but this time it was so good, like, because it was in a stadium, so it was very good, and we had a lot of fun. Did you have fun?
Oh my
much. And
टेक्स्ट कौन करता है यार?
अभी हमारे जो जामस हटेंगे and पुलिस भी है यहाँ पे. Oh my god. Guys, so we are just going home. It's 12:30 right now. And how was it? Did you have fun?
Oh my god, it was so
It was so
crazy.
fun.
I don't want to abuse on your blog, but it was so fucking crazy. I loved
Copyright and no paisa then.
it. I loved it. Every bit of it. I loved
Very
it with
nice.
her.
Yeah, we
If
had
it
very nice.
wouldn't have been for her, I wouldn't have been having fun at all, bitches.
But we liked each other's company and we took care of each other. So
Yeah, we
it was
actually
good.
did.
So now we are just going to pick up my car. I'm gonna drop her and then I'm gonna go home.
Hopefully, I get home safe, guys. Pray for me.
I will make sure that.
Yeah.
It's okay. Bye. Say bye.
Bye bye.